what better to do a beautiful / scary skeleton with my gold sheep pants and shirt on? Well, I'm gonna do it on Carly because you know what, guys? I have to go pick up my daughter at school and this wouldn't go over well. They don't like things on your face in her school. I don't make the rules. We're using the Sicily cream only on one side of the face because I'm only putting it on because I want it to be really dry on the other side. Yeah.
Spooky, scary skeletons and
dun, dun, dun,
down your
spine.
spine.
You have such good, like, Insta brows, doesn't she?
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Tom Ford cream shadow. Keep it easy. Okay, this is the Troy Surratt liner. Dry Cosmetics, look down. We're using the Clé de Peau Radiant Cream to Powder Foundation. Charlotte Tilbury contouring. Whoops, it always does too much.
Give me those cheekbones, please.
Okay, so now we're gonna leave it as is, and then we're gonna go over to the other side and start laying down the makeup
Start
forever.
getting spooky.
Spooky, spooky.
Right now you look like you're like cheering on your team.
Yeah, good.
Or like a mime. I have mime vibes.
That looks good.
Yes.
Okay, we're getting there.
Just because you're dead doesn't mean you can't have cheeks.
It looks good.
I mean, from the video. Ah! The final step to make it pop. Gotta put glitter on everything, even the skeleton. Yeah, skeleton. The Mrs. Gun Show. I like it. Okay.
Get it. Oh, it's cool. Like you see the one time.
Ah!
Gotcha.
Thank you, Gold Sheep, for providing my leggings, and have a great Halloween.
Spooky.
Bye.
Skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your